Hello and welcome to That's Sweet. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to share a quick but powerful trick for restoring a previous version of an advanced PDF template in NetSuite. Whether you're just learning HTML and are using it to make small tweaks to the look and feel of a PDF, or you're an experienced coder who is incorporating complex calculations and conditional statements into a template, you will inevitably encounter an error message related to invalid code at some point. It's just part of the process. Wouldn't it be great if you could revert to an earlier version of the template before the error occurred? There's a handy trick in NetSuite to restore a previous version of an advanced PDF template. To do so, navigate to the advanced PDF template that you want to revert and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. The bottom left, in very tiny letters down here, it will display the version number of the current file. To load the previous version, all you have to do is click into the URL and type &version equals and the number that you want to revert to. So because I'm on template version 14, I'm going to go one back and go to version 13. And what this does is it loads the previous version. So now if I scroll all the way to the bottom, I can see that this has loaded template version 13 instead of 14. So I can either save my file to restore the previous version, or I can make additional modifications before saving. If you need to revert to an even earlier version, you can use the same trick to revert to any version prior to the current one by entering the desired number in the URL. I'm also going to add that little code snippet in the description below just for your reference. This trick is a hidden NetSuite gem. It's so simple, yet it can save you hours of work when compared to manually rolling back changes on an advanced PDF template. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have ideas about other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I'll be back again next week with another video to help you keep living that sweet life.